Hi everyone, welcome to Module 4. Module 4 means we're almost halfway through the course. That's pretty exciting. In this video I'm going to walk you through Module 4's activities and assignments and also give you a few reminders. So like every module, your first place to stop is the overview, which you can see here, and the agenda. In the agenda, you're going to see a list of tasks that you'll need to complete this week. This week is a pretty typical week in that you're reading 2 chapters from the textbook, we have a video to watch, and we have 2 discussion board questions and a quiz. So next, if you head to the lectures and readings folder, you'll see our reading assignment is chapter 7 and 8. And then we also have a video, beware of online filter bubbles. This video relates both to last week's topic of confirmation bias and also chapter 7 on attitudes. So it's a sort of continuation on a theme. And this is a pretty interesting topic, I think, so that's why we have sort of another video on it again this week, if my page will load here. So next, if we head over to the assignments folder, you'll see that the Module 4 quiz covers chapters 7 and 8. And then we have a discussion board. We'll have 2 questions. In one of the discussion board prompts, you'll be asked to provide an example from your own life about cognitive dissonance and how you resolved that feeling of dissonance. And then the other question, you'll be asked to design a request. So you're going to pretend like you're going to make a request of someone. So design a request that uses several principles of social influence that are talked about in chapter 8. And just as a general reminder, all of Module 4's activities and assignments are due on Sunday, April 14th by 11:59 p.m. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.